Guys, yes, today we are going to be having this. You know, most of the students find it difficult to solve these little angles. That is when you have to find x all through this kind of problem right now. They get confused in solving it. So let's see how we can get it solved and find the little angles x. Okay, now going with number one, this is a vertically opposite angle. This is angles on a straight line, and this is angles at a point. Angles at a point. Some of angles here is equal to 360 degrees. Some of angles here is equal to 180 degrees, and some of angles at a point is 360 degrees. Let's start. Solution. Alright, since this is a vertically opposite angle, we are going to add everything here and equal it to 360 degrees. So I have x degrees plus 3x degrees plus 2x degrees plus 3x all equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so what am I going to do next? I'm going to add all of this. So x plus 3x will give me 4x. Plus 2x will give me 6x, plus 3x will give me 9x. So I have 9x equal to 360 degrees. Alright, so how do I get my x? I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of this x, which is 9. So I'm going to divide here by 9 and divide here by 9. Okay? That will give me x equal to what? 40 degrees. Okay, now, what does that mean? Since x is equal to 40 degrees, it means that if I substitute x for 40, substitute x for 40, substitute x for 40, here x for 40, and I add everything here, they are all going to give me 360 degrees. Should we check for that? Yes, let's try that. Okay, so we have that x plus 3x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, let's substitute the value of x, which is 40 degrees. So we have 40 degrees plus 3 times 40 degrees. Plus 2 times 40 degrees plus 3 times 40 degrees equal to what? Let's go to the board. So here I have 40 degrees plus 3 times 40 is 120 degrees plus 2 times 40 degrees 80 degrees plus 3 times 40 degrees 120 degrees. So when we do all of this, this is 160. Are you seeing that? This is 240, and 240 plus 120 is all equal to 360 degrees. So that has proven that our x here is equal to 40. 40 plus 120 is 160 plus 1 plus 80 will give you 240 plus 120 will give you 360 degrees. So that has proven that the whole of this x plus this plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, let's go to number 2. These are angles on the straight line, though they are facing, they are turned upside down. So at some of angles on the straight line is 180 degrees. So we have to add all of this. X plus x plus x is equal to 180 degrees. X plus x plus x is 3x equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so we have to divide both sides with the coefficient of x, which is 3. So we divide here by 3, we divide here by 3. And when that is done, we have x equal to 60 degrees. Okay, now we don't need to go far from there. Let's prove it. Is x actually 60 degrees to make here 180 degrees? Now let's see. 60 plus 60, if here is 60 degrees, here 60 degrees, here 60 degrees. Will the three of them give us 180 degrees? Yes. So that proves it. Okay, let's go to number 3. And number 3, this is angles at a point. Okay, which is also equal to 360 degrees. So let's do the same thing we have done for the other 2 questions. So we're going to add all of this. Before you add, if you watch this, there is no value here. So this particular notation here means that this is a 90 degree, that's a right angle. So we are going to take it like this: 90 plus 3x degrees plus 5x degrees plus 2x degrees equal to 360 degrees. Alright, so we have 90 degrees plus 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have 10x equal to 360 degrees. Alright, so we have to make x the subject of the formula. So we have 10x is equal to, you take your 360 degrees and you go back to pick your 90 degrees, then taking it to the other side, it becomes minus 90 degrees. So 10x is equal to 360 minus 90 degrees is equal to 270 degrees. Okay, now we have to divide both sides by 10. So I will divide here by 10, divide here by 10. And that will give me x equal to 27 degrees. X is equal to 27 degrees. So all I need to do to confirm it or to check if what I have done is correct is to fix 27 right here. 3 times 27, 5 times 27, 2 times 27, and I will add all of it together and see if I can get 360 degrees. And then that is what it is. So if you love what you are doing here, all you need to do is to like, share, subscribe, so that it will get to as many that needs this. Thank you.